This is Hitachi.
You know, we not only have Hitachi Automotive printing our side pod here, as you can see, but we also, underneath that the cover, engine cover, we do have also parts of Hitachi Automotive, which is the fuel injector. The partnership with Chevy, it's becoming very important for all of us, especially in racing, because believe it or not, for the ordinary people, you don't understand how much, just a small bit, can make a big difference, especially when we're fighting for hundreds of seconds. So it's extremely important to have the technology update so that we can beat the other competitors. Now, the good news is, these fuel injectors here, the technology that we developed goes straight to your ordinary car. So that means if we're winning here, you guys are winning on the street. It's a win-win situation. I love it.
Hitachi has been in the automotive systems business for over 80 years. Hitachi Automotive Systems, which was established as a split-off from Hitachi in 2009, conducts global business in automotive systems. Our business consists of 4 system operations in 3 fields. In the first field, environment, we have 2 system operations. The engine management system, which aims for environmental preservation and energy efficiency, and the electric powertrain system, which includes hybrid and electric vehicle systems and contributes to the transition to electric drive. The second field, safety, encompasses outside recognition camera and sensor technology, such as stereo cameras and electrically driven intelligent brakes for electric and electronic control. These drive control systems provide enhanced driving safety. The third field, information, includes navigation systems, data communication modules, and other in-vehicle information devices. Furthermore, we have traffic information services through a global telematics center and a state-of-charge management system for electric vehicles. These ICT solutions are provided through car information systems to enhance safety, comfort, and convenience. Environment, safety, and information. In these 3 fields and 4 system operations, key components not only function independently, but also cooperate with each other to achieve the sophisticated system solutions that are in demand for next-generation vehicles. Now we would like to introduce our future technology concept, the next-generation electric drive system, in order to illustrate the kind of efficiency that can be achieved by linking our components into the control system. Let's assume that a hybrid vehicle with a gasoline engine, motor, inverter, fully charged battery, and electrically driven intelligent brake system is being driven along a mountain road. The navigation system, stereo camera, integrated controller, and other components are linked together as a control system. The bottom right picture shows an example of when the vehicle is under control, then the bottom left shows without control. When the integrated controller receives information from the navigation system and stereo camera that there are curves and a descending slope ahead where brakes would be applied, it commands the inverter and motor to use electricity to drive the vehicle down the slope. Though electricity is consumed on the curves and the slope, electrical energy is efficiently charged and gasoline consumption is reduced through the maximum effects of regenerative braking achieved by the electrically controlled intelligent brakes. As a result, this tremendous difference can be seen. By linking the electric car system with ICT solutions, increased safety and comfort can be achieved. For instance, by operating with a remote control, the car's battery can be recharged at night when cost and general power consumption is low. Power consumption can be reduced while driving by presetting the air conditioner when the car is parked and is connected to a power source. It is also possible to manage charging while driving by using information from the data center based on traffic conditions to the destination point, and the driver can be directed to the nearest charging station if necessary. Like an orchestra in which various instruments come together to create a magnificent harmony, through integrated control of various components, Hitachi Automotive Systems' proprietary technology results in 1 + 1 equaling not just 2, but even 3 or 5. By pursuing the potentials of cars through development of next-generation vehicle systems, Hitachi Automotive Systems will continue to create new value for people, cars, and society.
I'm Tim Cindric, President of Penske Racing. One thing that differentiates Penske from a lot of the other racing organizations is the fact that it's been around since 1966. The technology, it has to advance the performance. You have to make a market advancement. You have to be able to see a change. It has to be practical, so it has to be something that can be applied in the racing environment, and it also has to be reliable. And the reliability is paramount because you only have one shot at each race.
The competition at the racetrack is getting more fierce every day. So we have to continually evolve and have new technology that's attractive to our customers and provides an advantage.
As we looked at it, we said, how do we produce the top level direct injection engine for IndyCar? And with that, Hitachi was the first name that came to mind.
Hitachi is able to customize a system, a fuel system in this case, to meet customers' needs. In the case of IndyCar, something that needs to be done very quickly to gain an advantage of the track.
The direct injection has been a big performance advantage, I think, for all the Chevrolet teams. Obviously, direct injection is getting us better mileage than we may have had with previous systems.
In a direct injection fuel system, fuel is injected into the engine at higher pressures. So as a result, you get a more precise control of the fuel. So that results in maybe more power at the racetrack, reduced emissions on the street, and also maybe better fuel economy on both the street or the racetrack.
Yeah, Hitachi is a world leader in many areas, and as we looked at the opportunity to team with Hitachi and the whole Penske environment, what we look for is the top tier. And it has to be a win-win. The partnerships have to make sense on both sides.
It was that speed and the advanced technology that really puts Hitachi ahead of the competition.
It's a company that we looked at and said, how do we get involved? How do we take their technology and put it into our race cars and into the engines in which we race? And for us to represent the Hitachi brand on the racetrack, it's an honor for us.